County, Somerset County, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for small streams in central Somerset County in northern New Jersey until 8:15 a.m. At 5:13 a.m. the North Branch of the Raritan River at South Branch and the Lamington River at BURT Mills remained above flood stage. Both were slowly falling. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.